Why is time blocking essential for productive study? Imagine trying to build a puzzle without knowing what pieces go where. That's what studying feels like without a plan. When you organize your day into specific chunks, everything becomes clearer and easier to manage. Time blocking means dividing your day into set periods dedicated to particular tasks or subjects. Instead of just having a long to-do list, you assign exact times to study math, review notes, or work on assignments. You can even block time for breaks and relaxation. This way, your schedule becomes a clear map guiding your day. One big reason this works so well is because it encourages you to focus on one thing at a time. Instead of jumping from math to history to science, you give your full attention to just one subject during its scheduled block. This reduces distractions and helps your brain stay engaged. When you focus deeply, you understand and remember things better. Another benefit is that it cuts down on decision fatigue. Instead of wasting mental energy deciding what to do next, your plan is already set. When the study session begins, you just start working. This makes it easier to get started and keeps procrastination at bay. Knowing exactly when a task starts and ends creates a sense of urgency that motivates you to stay on track. Time blocking also helps you plan realistically. When you estimate how long each task takes and see it on your calendar, you learn to set achievable goals. This prevents overloading your schedule and reduces stress from falling behind. Over time, you get better at managing your hours and planning future study sessions more accurately. From a study environment point of view, time blocking helps you prepare your space in advance. If you know you'll spend hours on math problems, you can gather your calculator, notes, and textbooks beforehand. You can silence notifications and minimize interruptions, making it easier to stay focused. When your environment matches your schedule, studying becomes more efficient. You can apply time blocking to different subjects, review sessions, practice tests, or even short breaks. For example, you might block out 2 hours in the morning for solving math problems, then take a quick break, followed by an hour for reading. This structure keeps you productive and prevents burnout. Plus, it helps you balance studying with other activities like exercise or social time. In short, time blocking is key to productive studying because it keeps you focused on one task at a time, reduces distractions and mental clutter, helps you set realistic goals, and creates a study environment that supports your efforts. When you plan your day intentionally and see your schedule clearly, you take control of your time, reduce stress, and keep making steady progress toward your academic goals.